Hi, this is Sue Painter with Sail Travel Better, and I have a tip today for you guys who are TAs and who are thinking about how to make the best use of your website. If you have a website, then you want to make sure that it's really benefit driven and you have really one reason to have articles or landing pages on your website, and that is to get the person who is your prospect to give you their information so that you can add them to your email list, because you're going to always sell more through email marketing than you will sell directly on your website. So people, when they hit your website to read an article or to read one of your pages about a trip, they're looking for something that is short and succinct, and they're looking for quick results. They want something that's benefit driven. So if you're selling a particular trip, you need to talk about not the features of the trip, but the benefit to them. You'll be able to see 2 countries in 5 days, or whatever the benefit is. So you want to create that benefit and always have a call to action. And the call to action, or a CTA as it's called in the marketing world, is to get that person to give you their contact information so that you have them on an email list, and therefore you can reach out to them over and over and over again. So make sure that you keep anything you put on your website short and benefit driven. Show the person who's reading it, your prospective traveler, the quick result, what they get from reading that article. Give them a quick win, and then be really specific. But remember that the purpose of whatever you put on your website is to really get them on your email list so that you can market to them. You don't want people coming to your website and then clicking away, because you have no way to track that. You have the analytics, but they don't give you the contact information. You want to be able to reach out and reach that person over and over and over again. Now, if you have questions about email programs or which ones to use, I'm happy to help you with that. You can contact me and I will be happy to walk you through that and give you some recommendations. You probably need something that's inexpensive but does allow you to segment your list, and I have some suggestions for you. But just remember, the purpose of your website is to capture email addresses and names, and in everything that you put on your website, make it sure that there is a benefit to the reader. Not just informational, nice to know, but benefit. This is what this will do for you. If you go to this trip, you will see this. Benefit driven, that's the key word. That's a helpful tip for you. This is Sue with Sail Travel Better, and I'm inviting you to join my group, my Facebook group that is specifically only for suppliers of travel and travel advisors. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.